Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to VirtuToy channel. This round I want to show you the recent release from ScaleBox MCE. Now these are not exactly brand new because upcoming there will be the third variant already. But I thought I want to show you guys this one first because I've been so tied up recently. Only now I've managed to find some time to do it, and I think of all the release of cars recently, right, this is easily on top of my list because this is actually a new body kit from LibertyWalk, as far as I understand, and if I'm not mistaken, in the world there's only one-to-one scale right now. That's my understanding, so correct me if I'm wrong. You can let me know through the comment box below. Okay, so this is actually the 458GT, which is different from the very first release from MCE. That is 458, so that is slightly more rounded. It's based on the previous body kit by LibertyWalk, and yeah, so that one is I would say a little outdated already now, and this would be the brand new one. And I really like how ScaleBox MCE has already upped their game. So far the cars that they have made has been really good, looks really precise, and I don't see much QC issues from them, unlike the other brands. So this one is actually a China event exclusive. It was limited to 499 pieces. Let's zoom in a little bit. So at that event, the red and white was available. Okay, all right. So this one has the LB genuine product sticker on it. Okay. All right. So let's go straight to it. Now this one, it came with the a small decal pack underneath. It's actually the logo, so you can choose which logo you want to put onto the car. Okay, so I will skip that. I want to go straight to the car actually, because I think by far this is actually one of the best 1/64 scale model right now, in my opinion. And it's a Ferrari in red. Come on, look at that. Shiny. I'm a huge fan of the 458 Ferrari. So when LibertyWalk, when Kato-san put his hand on a 458, this thing is really crazy. Yes, that's me salivating already. Check it out. So this is a racing model, so that's why the feel in your hands, it's definitely very different. Racing models are usually very light compared to the diecast models. As I've mentioned before, racing models tend to be slightly higher priced, and of course slightly higher price, and they're able to achieve a higher level of accuracy on the car. And again, yeah, this one is very easy to leave fingerprints on it. So let me just wipe it off a little bit. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at that. I love how low it sits, hugging the ground. I love all that arches, that boxy LibertyWalk touch to it, that wide, super wide body kit. Damn, this thing. I like the engine details that they managed to pull off. To me, it's very highly detailed at this scale. Very nice. This is actually done very nicely. So one of the best feature of the 458 is the back. Look at that. Oh, the diffuser, so sexy. Nice, very nicely done by MCE. Okay, so underneath there's no details at all, no print or anything. Alright, so this is actually just screwed on, so you can just remove it if you want to. The wheels can't turn. I'm usually much more careful with racing models. They tend to be a little bit more fragile. So yeah, the wheels can't turn, so they're not meant to be played with anyway. So let's go to the white. So same thing, this one also has that logo decal pack inside with the logo. Okay, let's see. So this one, yep, the packaging is actually still very similar, you know, on a black base with the acrylic cover. However, one thing is different is this one has 2 screws. It's secured using 2 screws. So I kind of prefer how Eno and Tarmac does it, where it has one screw in the middle with that it sits on something, because when you screw it on like that, right now it's actually screwing on right onto the base. So if because I assume that these are done by machines, not by hand, I'm not exactly sure. Either way, there is a high risk of, you know, turning the screws on too tight. So when it's too tight, of course it will you know, lock and maybe even damage the car. Oh my god. Oh, the gloss white. Check that out. So all the print is really crisp and precise. And I like the wheels on these things. Very nice. Oh, look at that. I really like how it hugs the ground. So this one, on the interior, it's all black, so we can't see much. So, but the engine details, that makes up for it big time. That makes up for it very big time. So you can see all the rest of the details, right? It's all in there. That's really very nicely done. You know, rather than, you know, leaving it blank or, you know, just paint it on top of it, they actually went all the way out. All the way out. So this one, is that a plastic piece on it? The black? I think it is. It feels like a separate piece that is installed on top of it. Oh my god. This thing is crazy. The van logo is nicely done. Ooh. Damn. Right. So upcoming, I believe there's a Brazil exclusive. That will be in red and black. I think the fenders are black and the body is red. That would be the next upcoming one variant for this model. So as far as I know, I think MC is also doing RWB, and I think there's a Zero Fighter coming as well. So I really look forward to what they have in store for us. But still, a really awesome job. They managed to pull off this one very well. So that's it for now. As usual, I will be taking close-up photos of these two babies and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. Remember to hit the subscribe button to follow me on more awesome diecast videos. And remember to hit the bell button. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Bye.